All right, we are in 10-3, example number 5. So this one, instead of having two binomials, we have a binomial and a trinomial, which has 3 parts. This one is going to take a little bit longer to do, okay? I want to show you using the method they have here, which is the horizontal method, but I want to show you an even easier one to do on the next problem that we're going to see. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling in these pieces here. So it looks like what we've done, they want to go ahead and separate the pieces. So we have x, they've separated the 2 parts of the binomial, which is the x and the 3. And that way it's turned it into 2 separate distributive property parts. Like we can multiply in one piece and that makes it pretty easy. But when it's 2 pieces, then things get a little bit harder. So x can go in pretty easily and then the 3 can go in pretty easily. You just have to take it little by little. Looks like to me they have the first part already filled in. They distributed the x in that first half already. We got to do the 3 in the back. So we got 3 and we got times x squared. And I should have done this as we went. So hold on, let me erase this. Oops. So I always like to draw the rainbow as we go and then write down the answer. So this is the part that we just did, the 3x squared. And then I like to draw it next so I know what 2 pieces I'm looking at. So 3 and negative x, which is negative 3x. They already have the negative in there for me. And then the 3 times the negative 9, which is negative 27. The reason why I like to draw those lines as we go is because then I know which parts I've done. When you do something like this, like if it was foil and you're wanting to get all the parts, I would not go like this automatically, right? It just makes it so you have a bunch of drawings on there. I would go ahead and draw it as you're looking at it and then write down what you get. And that way you know I did that part already. And then I'm ready to reconnect some other pieces that haven't been paired up yet. That's just a recommendation that I have. So our last piece is to combine the like terms. So we obviously want to write it in standard form. So I'm seeing x cubed, that needs to go first. There's no other x cubed. I see negative x squared here and this 3x. So we got to combine those together to make positive 2x squared. I'm seeing a negative 9x and a negative 3x, which makes negative 12 x's. And then the 27, the negative 27 does not have another like term. So there is the answer to example 5.